Okay guys, we finally made it back. My week in exile is over. So we gotta finish cutting up these things. Getting our links cut. I'm gonna try to cut away some of this other old tree that's fallen. I'll cut away some of that today, hopefully. Depends if I get all this shit cut up. And we'll see what happens. Alright. I got a lot more cleaned up, obviously, as you can see. A bunch of logs cut up over there. So, yeah. Doesn't look like the finger of God came down and blew up the trees now. Well, lots more work to do, but I just thought I'd show you where I got to so far. Alright. Okay. Sack's getting really big. But I cleaned up quite a bit. Cut up a whole crap load of logs. There's a bunch of logs I cut up, and just got to cut those ones into lengths, those few left. And I was going to do that, but for some reason my chainsaw gave up the ghost. It's not getting gas, so I'll have to take it in and figure out what's what. But otherwise, did a pretty good job today. But I'm tired anyway, so but I got to figure out why this pig is not running. It's like the gas isn't getting to it or something, so I have to take it in and give it a clean up maybe and see what's what. Alright, bye.